Next we are discussing problems. So problem is integration 0 to pi by 2 x sin x cos x divided by sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4 dx. So this one integration we have to do. Okay, so first what we will do, this one we will assume I. So this one we are taking I. Okay, so I equal to, here we are using property number 5. According to property number 5, this integration we can resolve. Integration lower limit is 0, upper limit is what, half of this one. So what becomes pi by 4 fx plus f of upper limit is what, pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus x dx. This will come. Okay, fx is what, this one. Okay, so here what will come, I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. fx is what, this one. So what will come here, x sin x cos x divided by sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4 plus f of pi by 2 minus x. So instead of x, what will put, pi by 2 minus x. So what will be pi by 2 minus x sin of pi by 2 minus x cos of pi by 2 minus x divided by sin pi by 2 minus x to the power 4 plus cos pi by 2 minus x to the power 4 dx. This will come. Okay, so what will come here, I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. This will be what, numerator is x sin x cos x divided by sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4 plus, this is what, pi by 2 minus x. Okay, sin pi by 2 minus x is what, cos x, into cos pi by 2 minus x is what, sin x, divided by sin pi by 2 minus x is what, cos x to the power 4 plus sin cos pi by 2 minus x is what, sin x to the power 4 dx. This will come. Okay, so here I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. Sin x cos x divided by sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4, we can take common. So what we are taking common, sin x cos x divided by sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4, we are taking common. So in this one what is remaining, x, and here what is remaining, pi by 2 minus x dx. This will come. So here x getting cancelled, pi by 2 we can take common. So I equal to pi by 2 is what, outside, integration 0 to pi by 4. Now here sin x cos x we can write about sin 2x divided by 2, and sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4 we can write as what, sin x to the power 2 plus cos x to the power 2. Okay, this one we are writing whole square. Okay, sin x to the power 2 plus cos x to the power 2 whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This will come. Okay, so this one we can write sin x to the power 4 plus cos x to the power 4, we can write what, sin x whole square plus cos x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. What formula we are using here, a power 4 plus b power 4. This one we can write a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square. This formula we are applying here. Okay, so what will come here, I equal to in pi by 2. Okay, and this 2 also we are taking this side. So what will come here, pi by 4, integration 0 to pi by 4. Okay, sin 2x is numerator divided by sin square x plus cos square x is what, 1. So 1 minus, this is what, 2 sin square x cos square x. So here what you can write, 2 is as it is, sin square x cos square x we can write as what, sin 2x divided by 2 whole square. This one we can write. So what will come here, I equal to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 sin 2x divided by 1 minus sin square 2x divided by 2. this will come. Okay, so what will come here? I equal to pi by 4 integration 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so what will come here? Sine 2x, LCM we are taking what? 2. So what will come here? 2 minus sine square 2x, we can write what? 1 minus cos square 2x. This one we can write. So here what will come? I equal to, this is 2, this is 4, so what will come? 2. So pi by 2 integration 0 to pi by 4 sine 2x divided by, this will come 2 minus 1, so what will come? 1 plus cos square 2x, this will come. Okay, now here cos 2x we will take as what? T. Cos 2x we will take as what? T. Okay, cos 2x is different what? Minus sine 2x, and 2x difference what? 2 into dx equal to dt. This will come. Okay, so from here minus sine 2x dx we can write dt by 2. Okay, but limit also we have to change. So here if lower limit is what? 0, so if you put here 0, so what will come? If x equal to 0, then t value what will come? If I put 0 here, so cos 0 is what? 1, so t value is what? 1. Similarly, if I put x value pi by 4, now if you put x value pi by 4 here, what will come? 2 into pi by 4, pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is what? 0, so t value what will come? 0. This integration will become what? I equal to pi by 2 is what? Outside integration. Okay, so we are converting cos 2x in terms of t, so limit will come in terms of t. So here lower limit is what? 0, so lower limit is 0, so t value is what? 1. So here lower limit is what? 1, upper limit what will come? T equal to 0. Okay, sine 2x dx. Okay, so we know minus sine 2x dx is what? Dt by 2. So sine 2x dx is what? Dt by 2 minus 1. So here what come? Minus of dt by 2 will come. Okay, and 1 divided by 1 plus cos 2x whole square. So 1 plus cos 2x is what? T, so t square. So what will come here? 1 plus t square. This will come. Okay, so this one we can write I equal to pi by 2, and this is what? Minus 1 by 2, so we can take outside minus pi by 4. Limit is what? 1 to 0, so if you interchange what will come? Minus 1, limit interchange 0 to 1, and dt divided by 1 plus t square. This will come. So here what will come? I equal to pi by 4 integration 0 to 1 dt divided by 1 plus t square. So this is nothing but tan inverse t. This will come, and limit is what? 0 to 1. So what will come here? Pi by 4. Now if you put upper limit, so what will come? 1. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse lower limit is 0. So what will come? 0. So what will come? Pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So what will come here? Pi square by 16. This is your answer.